20 amazing reasons to eat papaya. It looks like a mango when cut and sliced, but it isn't and doesn't taste like one. Although mango is known as the king of all the fruits, but papaya has a lot more benefits than mango does. It is also known as papaya and contains antioxidant properties, which benefit your internal and external health. Not many people like papaya, but one has to make an effort to develop the taste for it. Here are 20 amazing benefits of papaya, and why you should eat papaya even if you don't like it. Amazing benefits of papaya. 1. Improves digestion. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion by breaking up the protein molecules. So if you are bloated or constipated, drink a glass of papaya juice to finally be able to go to the restroom. 2. Keeps cancer at bay. Papaya contains antioxidants that help in getting rid of the free radicals in our body. This decreases the risk of developing cancerous cells in our body. 3. Good for diabetics. Diabetes is frustrating, especially for those who live to eat. Raw papaya is known to maintain blood sugar level and the bad cholesterol because of the high fiber content. So if you still want to eat something sweet and yet not let it aggravate your sugar level, consume papaya on a daily basis. 4. Skin cleansing with papaya. Getting clear skin tone is one of the benefits of papaya. Papaya contains antioxidants, thus cleanses your blood. It gives your skin a natural glow. 5. Immunity booster. More than anything, papaya has been famous for increasing immunity over the years. Papaya, being a great source of vitamin A, B, C and K, is an excellent immunity booster. It can be consumed by anyone who has caught cold to recover quicker than usual. 6. Skin tightening. Papaya is amazing for skin. It helps maintain the proteins of connective tissues, which nourishes the collagens, making our skin look tighter. 7. Eases arthritis. Papaya is rich in minerals such as calcium, potassium and copper. Regular consumption of papaya ensures that there is enough calcium in your body even for a long run without causing hypercalcemia. 8. Clears pigmentation. Hyperpigmentation can be caused by excessive production of melanin, scars, breakouts, etc., and leaves your skin looking dull. Papaya helps in this case. Just apply papaya juice on your skin with the help of cotton and rinse it off after 15 minutes. 9. Hair growth with papaya. Papaya contains folic acid and vitamins that boost hair growth. Thus, eating papaya can make your hair grow faster than usual. 10. Dandruff control. Dandruff is usually caused by fungal infections and loss of moisture. Papaya contains antifungal properties that can treat dandruff. All you have to do is massage papaya paste onto your scalp and leave it on for an hour. You will be left with flawless and shiny hair after rinsing and shampooing them. 11. Cardiovascular health. Bad cholesterol can clog your blood vessels and cause heart attacks. Papayas are rich with vitamin A and C, which help prevent the oxidation of cholesterol. This decreases the risks of cardiovascular diseases. 12. Heals wounds. Papaya seeds show antimicrobial properties that help heal the wounds. The seeds can be crushed and applied topically over the wounded area for quick healing. 13. Prevents macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is common in older people. It is the gradual loss of vision. Papaya has antioxidant properties and contains an antioxidant called zeaxanthin, which reduces the risk of macular degeneration. 14. Reduces inflammation in lungs. People can develop inflammation in the lungs due to active and passive smoking. Vitamin A in papayas helps prevent this sort of inflammation. 15. Prevents pus formation. Papaya has antibacterial properties. Fresh juice of green papaya when applied on the affected area can prevent pus formation. 16. Treats ringworm. Carotene in papaya milk is useful in treating ringworm infection. If consumed daily, it can treat the fungal infection in no time at all due to the presence of carotene and its anti-inflammatory properties. 17. Muscle strengthening. Muscle strengthening is another one of the benefits of papaya. Papaya milk revitalizes the body by increasing its strength. It is a rich source of protein, thus helps regain muscle strength and renewing the muscle tissues. 18. Essential amino acids. Dried papaya helps in the production of arginine in the body. It is an essential amino acid that activates the human growth hormone, which helps in the process of bone growth, muscles, skin and liver cells. 19. Minerals. Papaya is rich when it comes to minerals. It contains iron, potassium, copper, manganese, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. This keeps the conductive system of our body working and the action potentials in order. 20. Treatment for throat disorders, diphtheria. Papaya juice contains anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe down inflammation of the tonsils, which may be a symptom of diphtheria and other throat problems.